Today's video, guys, is on daily bias, okay? Daily bias. Everyone asks about daily bias, right? It's actually very, very simple. There's the easy way of doing it, which is this. And this is very simple, okay? Let's actually do this. And then we have bing, bing, bing. Okay, number one. We have IFEGs. Very simple. We, let's say, inverse a 4-hour bearish IFEG. Okay. So we have a pound sign hour IFEG. Bloody hell. There we go. 4-hour bearish IFEG. That is now inversed, making an IFEG, right? This is an indication that we are bullish. Why? Because we are disrespecting bearish order flow, right? Let's say we probably have reacted from something here as well. This could be anything from a 15-minute hourly to a 4-hour fair value gap. Let's go with an hourly fair value gap for this one, but hourly bullish fair value gap, okay? So we are respecting an hourly bullish fair value gap. We are disrespecting a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. We have a body close over it, making an IFEG. And then what we're expecting from there, we are expecting this high to be taken. I forget that I cannot magnet these. There we go. So this is your target, okay? So let's say tag it. So if this, as you can see, oh my God, I did. Okay. So as you can see, we have inverse 4-hour. This is our target. What are we expecting now from here? For the next coming days, we are expecting bullish days, okay? So let's say this was a Monday that this closed, and then this takes you to Thursday, right? You are going to be bullish, for the entire week, right? We have this down move here, right, which we did not anticipate. But what might be down here? Probably an unfilled 15 or an unfilled hourly or 4-hour, right? We're expecting to then reject from this. So what do we have? We have a midweek reversal weekly profile, but let's not get into that right now. That's for another video, okay? So we've respected from this, let's just say 15, unfilled 15. We respected this unfilled 15, and then we look to target here, okay? So this Thursday, Friday, whatever, we are looking to target this. So obviously we're very bullish after we've hit that. Cool. Now, let's go into a bit more further detail, right? You look on the higher time frames for liquidity pools, okay? Now what could this be? I've got a good example lined up for you boys, so don't worry. And girls, potentially. So we've got relatively equal highs on the hourly is a very, very nice draw, okay? So we're looking to take these at some point, for sure. Let's make this a little bit relatively equal. There we go, very high probability, right? We're looking for this to come back up, okay? Now what would be nice? In the ideal world, you'll have something like a daily fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap, or 1-hour fair value gap here, okay? Mainly fair value gaps, to be honest, that I use. So we have this fair value gap, and we reject from it, okay? So we reject from the fair value gap, and then what do? Oh my God, you may have guessed this already. We have a 4-hour, let's say, no, let's go with 1 hour this time. We have a 4-hour IFEG, okay? Boom. So now we are bullish, okay? So let's say we're going into a Thursday, okay? This day, after we've inversed this, we look at the market structure and we have, okay, we've inversed this, we've respected this fair value gap down here. We have relatively equal highs. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be bullish, right? So this is when you're bullish. Now this could be anything from a data wick to a new week opening gap, day opening gap. You know, it could be anything. Okay, that's just been left in the market, ready to be taken. Just a very strong, obvious draw. A lot of people will call this mod. That is most obvious draw. Okay, yeah. So we're targeting this. This is easy daily bias, right? Here is a great example which I use all the time. What do we have here? We have. Let me get rid of this quick for you. There we go. So what do we have here? If you've spotted it, very good. We have a daily IFEG here, okay? I'll mark this out. This video is going to be just me messing up my typing, apparently. So we have a daily IFEG here. There we go. Daily IFEG, and then what do? So we closed it here. we close this IFG here, and then we come down. So we have that nice retracement. It's almost like I used that in this example. So we come up, we actually respect the IFG, which is very nice, balanced price range, and then we move up. Okay, so we're looking to target this. Now, if we get onto the lower time frames, what have we got? Okay, what do we have here? Equal 4-hour highs, relatively equal 4-hour highs. So that's actually very annoying that the current price is literally out there. So 4-hour, relatively equal. This is our target. Then we have an inversion of a daily fair value gap here. Okay, go back a bit smaller actually. Okay, so an inversion of the daily fair value gap, and then we are looking. We're looking as soon as we inverse this, we are looking to target this instantly. Okay, so coming into the next few days, we're looking to target this. We were bullish every single day. Now what do we have? Go down to the hourly. We're looking for somewhere in these days for price to reject. I believe the inversion was here. Yeah, and then we come down. So we're looking for price to react from somewhere. So as you can see here, we reacted from this order block and then we continued up. So that was a very nice bias to have. Or you can go off the 15 if there's no hourly. Look at that. Over here. Here, there we go. And you can see here, we respected this 15-minute. Okay. We move up from there, we come back down, you see how this 15-minute here held this as well. Very nice. And then we continue up. So like this example for here, 10, 15, perfect. We've respected this 15-minute fair value gap. We also have a 15-minute fair value gap here. What we're looking to do, we are looking to respect it, to target these 4-hour equal highs. So you see, we come in here, at what time? At 10:20, we have a nice IFEG with strong displacement, and then we continue up. Okay, continue up towards those 4-hour relative equal, and then eventually take them. So that is just a very simple way to determine your daily bias. So going into the day, we have here 9:30 open. We're looking to get bullish positions. We come up, bang, create this 15-minute, beautiful. Come down, we look to take positions from this, and we get that nicely to move up to the 4-hour relatively equal. So yeah, that's pretty much the daily bias, guys. Very, very useful to have, and it just makes trading a lot easier. So I hope you've learned something from this video. I do actually have a premium Discord now, which is really cool. So I'd like to see some of your faces in there. It'd be really nice. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video.